Today is June 1st, 2025, and many of you are searching for your IRB NTPC CBT1 hall tickets. So don't worry, some students have received it while others are still waiting for that. So this is a normal process, and IRB releases hall ticket before 4 days for your exam. So if your exam is on June 5 or later, you will get in time for that. So no need to panic further. Just keep on checking the official updates and regularly. And also I provided in the descriptions those who did not see that, just click on that official link and go through and check out your hall ticket. So what I shared in my previous video, I shared the complete details about some of your getting and some of not getting the hall ticket, and also I shared the related to the how to prepare for the shift wise and the complete official syllabus and how to prepare for the shift wise. And today I will explain that again clearly, topic wise, and how many questions you can expect from each area and which topics are most important for scoring. Let's get straight into the breakdown, guys. So first one is the general sections. Already we know that this PDF is related to, I prepared this PDF is related to the NTPC CBT1 syllabus, and this PDF contained the official syllabus for those who are preparing for the NTPC CBT1 syllabus RRB. So we'll get into the detail wise. So exam details is related to the total 100 questions will be there in the CBT1 section. So 100 questions, 100 marks, and the duration time will be only 90 minutes, and the negative marking 1/3 mark for each wrong answer. So while we going to the section wise, we have the 3 sections in this. First one is the general awareness, and second one is the mathematics, and third one is the general intelligence and reasoning. So main high marks will scored for the general awareness. So main concentrating on here. So we'll discuss each topic wise. We'll discuss. So let us break down expected questions, what the range will be there. So we go into the expected questions. Like here in the general awareness, and general awareness is regarding the 40 questions will be there. And this we have got the current affairs, national, and the current affairs is related to the national and international content will be there. So go through that in this previous and last time we have got for this 8 to 12 questions we have got for the last year. So keep on searching for the current updates, what the current updates are going, and keep on reading the newspaper or news in the TV channels, and keep on update. Like we recently we get the war related to the Pakistan and in India, right? So like that you have to prepare for the current updates. And Indian history we have got the 4 to 6 questions will be there, and geography is related to the 3 to 5, and Indian and polity constitutions is 3 to 5, and economy budgets 2 to 4, and general science is related to the 10th, what you studied in the before SSC syllabus or maybe a CBSE syllabus. So keep on preparing for only general science is related to the physics, chemistry, and biology up to 10th, what you have studied in the before the topics. Keep the important topics, and this will contain the high range marks related to the 7 to 10 questions, and static GK questions is related to the awards like books and cricket. Like this we have got etc. 3 to 5 questions came the previous year. So miscellaneous is 2 to 3 questions. Like that we have breaking into the expected range from general awareness. So keep on studying, and like whether it may be a newspaper or maybe a TV channels, keep on update for this, because we have the more high range marks for the general awareness. 40 questions will be there. This is the syllabus for the general awareness, and that is regarding for the 40 questions. And my suggestion is whatever the more high range marks or high range questions will be there, what I said before, this area, and keep on concentrate on more high range questions, and more gaining marks will be there. Prepare for that, and leave you have the less time, because you have only those who have got the hall tickets. Please don't go for what you didn't get the topics. Keep on concentrate what you get the topics, and keep on perfect for that. And this is my suggestion. And while we're going to the next topic, that is related to the mathematics, 30 questions will be there. While we're going to the subtopics in the range wise, the number system is related to the 1 to 2 questions, and decimals and fractions, LCM, HCF. We have got in the previous year 2 to 3 questions, and the ratios and proportions 2 to 3 questions. and the percentage is related to the 2 to 3 questions, and profit and loss discount the 2 to 3 questions, and same simple and compound interest 2 to 3 questions, and time work and 2 to 3 questions, and time speed distance 2 to 3 questions, geometric mensurations and 2 to 3 questions, and algebraic. This have the low range maths, that is algebraic, so don't concentrate on this. I was not saying that don't concentrate, but I'm saying that like whatever the more range marks will be there, those topics keep on first concentrate on that, and later you have to discuss whatever the less topics will be there. But those who are never prepared before, so don't go to that because you have the less time. Concentrate only the more range in marks and more range equations only. While we're going to the next, and the trigonometric and heights and distance is 1 to 2 questions, and statics and data interpretations and 2 to 3 questions. Then is the 1 to 2 questions. So keep on concentrating like topic wise and range wise. Whatever the range is more, keep concentrating on that and move to the next topic that is related to the general intelligence and reasoning. These also the 30 questions will be there, and this is related to the analogies and 2 to 3 questions and series, and the series will be content number or maybe a alphabetic reason since will be content, and this is related to the 2 to 4 questions it may get the previous year, and coding to decoding. It may be a coding and decoding that is related to the 2 to 3 questions, and relations is 2 to 3 questions, and direction sense 2 to 3, and syllogisms and 1 to 2 questions, and Venn diagrams is 1 to 2 questions. Puzzle stating arrangements is related to the 3 to 5 questions, and mathematical operations 2 to 3 questions, and statement and conclusion. Keep on concentrating. You have to get in the intelligence. While you focus logically, you will get definitely in this round. You will definitely score in the high marks. So keep concentrating on this only, and max and whatever the max, keep on concentrate. Get the formulas day by day. Concentrate on formulas and keep on preparing for how to solve, and with formula how to solve. Keep on concentrating. Keep on doing the sums and models. If you are doing the models, it's better for your the best exam. So don't go to the while you did not prepare the exam, did not prepare for, don't go to the new topic I'm saying. While going to the next one that is related to the puzzle and seating arrangements 3 to 5 questions, and mathematical operations that is related to the 2 to 3 questions, and statement conclusions is related to the 2 to 3 questions, and ranking order 1 to 2 questions, and decision making 1 to 2 questions, and mistakes 1 to 2 questions. And this is the final topic is related to the all what I said in before. And for those of you are preparing NTPC seriously, I have created the WhatsApp channel called Career Horizon. In that group, I'm sharing this full PDF syllabus, topic-wise expected questions, and my most important, I'll post daily updates, Korea notes, and shift-wise questions just before and after each CBT shift. So if you want daily preparations, help, and real-time updates, just join our WhatsApp group. Link in the description. Don't miss it out. So in my next video, I will give you the top MNC company. I'll focus on that and keep on applying. So stay tuned with us. Subscribe to our channel for more job updates. And if you have any doubts, please share in the comment. I will solve your doubts. So if this video is helpful for you, like it and comment NTPC ready, and subscribe to the channel for complete guidance till your exam and result. Let's crack NTPC together. All the best for your exam for those who are preparing for the NTPC. See you in the next video.